Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be making this awesome kind of trippy mushroom cup right here, inspired by all these festivals coming up. I'm actually getting ready to go to my first ever outdoor event in Chicago, so I'm very excited about that. I'm also extremely excited to be bringing you guys my first ever sponsored video. This beautiful holographic vinyl was given to me by our friends over at HTVRONT. I was screaming so much when they sent me the email telling me that they wanted to send me some products so I can make videos for them. I'm so excited for this opportunity since I always loved HTVRONT. Now I get to work with them and show you guys all this amazing products that they have. I'll also be providing you guys with the Amazon link, so if you guys just want to buy this real quick from Amazon, you can. I'll have it down in the description. It was so fun to layer this vinyl. It gave the exact look that I was going for. So I hope you guys like this video, and let's get started. Here I'm on Cricut Design Space, and as always we just start with a new canvas. So here, if you go into images, Cricut Design Space has a lot of images you can use. So I specifically wanted to do mushrooms today, and these are all the ones that are available. So if you have Cricut Access, all these images with the little green flag are free for you to use. Since I don't have it, these images are going to be $1 for me if I use them. And I kind of just went through looking at the kind of stuff they had, see if there was anything that I could use, but I decided to just go on Google since I don't really want to be spending money on this. But I basically wanted mushrooms like these, so all I did was just go into Google. And here I typed in mushroom outline drawings, and you can see here, this is pretty much the same picture and other images that you could use. I actually found this right here, and I really like it. This is actually what I'm going for with the holographic vinyl look. So I'm going to save this picture. And once you have the image that you want to use, I have saved it to my computer, and it's right here. Now I'm going to png to svg.com. Here I'm going to drop the file. And in my palette, I only have 2 colors, black and white, so that's what I'm going to go to. Just 2 colors, and generate. Once this says generated, I'm just going to download as an SVG, and the image is right here. Next, going back to Cricut, we're just going to go into Uploads, Upload Image, and in my downloads, I have the image that I just saved. And since I put it through PNG to SVG, it already made it an SVG itself, so I don't have to do any cleanup. Now I'm just going to upload and add to my canvas. Sometimes PNG to SVG works, sometimes it doesn't. So a lot of the time what I do is just go into upload my image, browse, and then from here I look for the image that I saved, which is right here, and I clean it up myself. But as you guys have seen, that involves me going through every little piece one by one, just clearing out the white pieces. And sometimes it's not the cleanest. So using PNG to SVG.com sometimes helps a lot. Here I don't want the white. That's just kind of the background, so I'm just going to delete it. And here is my image. Now again, I'm just going to remove everything that I don't want. I basically only want the stuff inside of it. And here I'm just going to remove all these lines and squares on the outside. And so this is what we have so far. And now I'm just going to layer. Okay, and here I have layered my image, and this is what it looks like. I believe these are the colors that I'm going to use. I'm just going to find the holographic versions of them. So I have pink, yellow, purple, green, and blue as my background. Since I'm going to make this into a cup, I'm just going to upload my template. And I'm just going to group this so it doesn't move. And I'm just going to hover it on top of this template. And I want to make it as big as I can, so something like this. But now we can go over and make it. Here I have 5 different colors, so I'm going to use 5 different colors of vinyl. Let's hope this looks okay. But here's the yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. I have used HTVRONT many times before, and I always use Vinyl Plus setting, but that was when I had my Cricut Explorer 2. Now that I have a Cricut Maker, I believe it has a bunch more settings that you can pick from. And now we can begin cutting. I'm so excited because this is actually my first ever sponsored video. So shout out to our friends at HTVRONT for sending us this vinyl right here. And right in the front, you can see here we have some instructions, which are great. Make sure to always follow the instructions so you get the best cut. Here we go. Here we have the colors that they sent me. If you guys want to get the same exact holographic vinyl like this, the bundle is about 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description down below, so check that out. So this one kind of looks like just a mix of all the colors of rainbow holographic. Then this is more blue, some dark red, pink, orange, green, blues, purples, yellows, and this kind of like a sunsetty color. It looks so pretty. And these are the colors I'll be using today. I picked the closest ones to the ones that I had on my canvas. So this is going to be the yellow. This is blue, green, purple, and pink. I'm going to start off by just doing my first mat, which is the yellow. And something cool about HTVRONT is that they come with a protective film. So right here, this is clear, you could see. And that prevents any scratching from your vinyls. And for the yellow, it's about 3.5 to 4.5, so about right here. And the only reason I pre-cut my piece was so I can remove the protective layer, because you don't want to remove the protective layer unless you're going to cut on that piece. So now the layer is out and I can begin cutting. And so these other little pieces I'm going to do on the actual cup itself, so this is what I'm going to be left with for now. Here I have my cup, and I'm just going to be using a confetti color changing cup. I got these from Costco when they were on sale. And I'm just grabbing some alcohol and just going to clean this up with the cotton ball just to get everything ready. And usually I try to cover the logo, but I think the eye is too small to cover it, so I'm just going to make sure that it's on the back, so I'm going to put my design on the front here. Okay, and once we have this, we're just going to add the other little pieces. Here we go. This is the finished look, and let me tell you, it looks a lot better than I thought it would. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work, and thank you so much for watching.